Hello children, today we will start with the chapter Agriculture. Children, agriculture word is derived from a Latin word agricultura, that is agri plus cultura, where agri means field or farm and cultura means growing or cultivation. So, agricultural word finally got modified into agriculture as per the late Middle English. Now, children, what is agriculture? Agriculture is the science or practice of farming, including cultivation of the soil for the growing of crops and the rearing of animals to provide food, wool and other products. Children, here cultivation of soil means plowing the land and making it fit for growing crops. Now, rearing of animals simply means raising or breeding animals for products like food, wool, etc. Children, the basic motto or objective of farming is these three F's. First, food. Secondly, feed or that is fodder for livestock or farm animals. Lastly, fiber like wool, cotton, etc. Children, in India, about 65 to 70% of people are still engaged in agriculture. This implies the importance of agriculture to the Indian economy. The agricultural crops not only provide food to crores of people of India but also provide fodder, that is food of animals, to the world's largest livestock population. Thus, we say that agriculture forms the backbone of Indian economy. Agriculture also provides vast market for industrial goods. So, the point to be noted are: first, India is an agriculturally important country. Second, agriculture produces most of the food that we consume. Last, agriculture also produces raw materials for various industries. Now, children, climate, soil, relief and even environmental factors impose certain limitations on the range of crops to be cultivated. Therefore, the types of farming depend on social, economic and environmental factors. Farming varies from subsistence to commercial farming. At present, in different parts of India, the following farming systems are practiced. First, primitive subsistence farming. Second, intensive subsistence farming. Third, commercial farming. There are semi-regions, especially northeastern states, where primitive subsistence farming is still practiced. It is called Juming in the northeast India. It is also known as slash and burn agriculture. Under this system, a small piece of forest land is cleared by felling trees, cutting bushes and grasses. Primitive tools like hoe, dhow and digging sticks are used for agricultural operations. Family members and community provide the required labor. After a few years, when the fertility of the soil begins to decline, the farmers shift to a new piece of land. Such a type of cultivation is chiefly practiced in Nagaland, Tripura, Manipur, Meghalaya, Assam and in some other parts of India. India, including Mizoram. Children, see, this is ho and this is down. These were the primitive tools used for clearing the piece of land. Now, children, this is an oft repeated question. So, how will you write the answer? You will write as slash and burn farming is a form of shifting agriculture, a method of agriculture in which existing vegetation is cut down and burned off before new seeds are sown. Typically used as a method for clearing forest land for farming. Means the land is cleared by burning the plant and trees and all the vegetation that is present on that land. Now, what is its result? Children, this burning of vegetation leaves only ash, which acts as a natural fertilizer. So, you can write the answer as the resulting layer of ash provides the newly cleared land with a nutrient-rich layer to help fertilize crops. However, under this method, land is only fertile for a couple of years before the nutrients are used up. We see, children, that when the soil fertility decreases, the farmers shift to a new patch of land and clear it for cultivation. This is what is known as shifting agriculture. This shifting allows nature to replenish or regain the fertility of soil. Now, land productivity in this type of agriculture is low. One more point to be noted here is that this natural healing process of the land is a slow process. It takes time, but the farmers cannot wait for so long. They go on cutting down trees and clearing patches of land for agriculture. So, there is a disbalance. The rate of deforestation increases more than the rate of healing of the forest. Therefore, this method of agriculture has been declared harmful to environment and have been banned. Now children, slash and burn method of cultivation has been given different names in different regions. It is known as Milpa in Mexico and Central America, Conuco in Venezuela, Roca in Brazil, Masili in Central Africa, Lading in Indonesia, Ray in Vietnam. In India, this primitive form of cultivation is called Bewar or Daya in Madhya Pradesh, Podu or Penda in Andhra Pradesh, Pamadabi or Koman or Bringo in Odisha, Komari in Western Ghats, Velder and Voltaire in southeastern Rajasthan, Khil in the Himalayan belt, Kurva in Jharkhand and Juming in the northeastern region. That's all today. We will continue in the next video.
हेलो दोस्तों, हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए